This video illustrates how you can use VDA Web GIS to examine characteristics of a metro. The screen now shows the startup view of VDA using the Situation and Outlook project. For more information about metros, use the Help Metros to open a new window showing the Metro's interactive table. So to illustrate, Help Metros opens a new tab showing the interactive table with metros. Read more on this page about the definition of metropolitan areas and related aspects of using metropolitan areas. To use the full screen, I will show how to turn the title form off. So we go to Tools, Show Hide, Set Title, Hide. The title form is now removed. In this application, we'll look at the Atlanta Metro. You can follow these same steps to view any metro. First, we'll zoom to the Atlanta Metro by entering the Atlanta, Georgia text, Atlanta, Georgia, in this edit box. And then click the Find Address button. So we've zoomed into downtown Atlanta. Now I'll zoom out using the Zoom Out button below the map window so that we can get a view of the broader metro. To view the metro boundary in the Legend panel, we check on the CBSA, Core Based Statistical Areas, or Metros layer. So now you can see the Atlanta Metro where my mouse is, and related metros circling around the Atlanta Metro. I also make the CBSA layer the active layer by selecting it in the top left drop down. We can now click on the Atlanta Metro. It crosshatches indicating it's a selected area. A demographic economic profile appears in the lower left profile panel, and we can view that profile as an HTML table by clicking the HTML button. So I click the button and a new tab opens with the profile. So this profile shows attributes of the Atlanta Metro, and so at first there are a set of Census 2020 demographic items. Here we've got highlighted the total population. Census 2020 is 6.08 million population. And then we can scroll down on that panel and see other attributes, including data from the American Community Survey 5-year estimates. So we can see, for example, down here toward the bottom, the median household income is $71,742. Going back and proceeding with a drill down look at the metro, next we will open the counties bold layer, check it on, and check on the county name layer. And then I'll also make the county layer the active layer. I'll remove, clicking on the button below the map window, I'll remove the crosshatch. Now our active layer is county, so I can click on any county, and like for the metro, it highlights in a crosshatch. A profile is generated in the lower left, and again similarly we can click the HTML button and a profile comes up for Cobb County. So we can scroll down and look at similar attributes in a similar way that we did for the metro. We can see that Cobb County, for example, had a census 2010 population of 688,000, and let's see, and the and the census 2020 population not sure I've got that in this profile. Here it is right here. Population census 2020, 766,000 is the estimate. Scrolling on down, we can look at other attributes such as median household income, which is 77,932. So going back to our map display, so to recap, we've looked at the metro, we've looked at drill down to a county using it as an example, Cobb County is one of 20 Maui counties. Now we could drill down further, census tracts, zip codes, block groups, blocks, but I'm not going to do that in this demo. I'm going to next show the use of the query table, and to do that you click this below the map window, you click the A table query button. The map window refreshes with the map view showing in the upper portion of the view, and a grid showing in the lower portion. So now we see the individual attributes of all the counties, in fact, in the U.S. So if I want to look at only the counties, the counties in Cobb County, I have this query that I can paste in right here in the SQL filter box. So I'm going to select where my pointer is here, the GeoID, the name, the median household income 2019, where the CBSA, the metro code, is equal to 12060. So that's a unique code of the Atlanta metro across the US. And then I will sort those counties on the median household income 2019 in descending order. So I think I've got all my settings correct, so I click the query button, and here they are. So I've got the name of the county, the median household income in 2019, and this is a scroll section, so I can scroll down and see all 29 component area counties. You can see down here at the left below the table there are 29 records or counties. Now I can take whichever one of these might be of interest if I want to do a visual look, and I can highlight it by clicking on it. It turns blue, and then I can click the geography row to display. And the map window refreshes with a zoom to Gwinnett County. It's now the active county. It's cross-hatched, and a profile appears in the lower left. And as for Cobb County, now we can look at the characteristics of Gwinnett County. So here's Gwinnett, and I can scroll down and look at various attributes, and just to compare one, I'll look at that median household income, ACS 2019, is a little lower, 71,026 is the estimate. So to recap again, we took a look at all counties in the U.S. We applied a query so that we looked at only selected subject matter items, and then we selected one of those counties and clicked on a button to display that in the map view. So we could select more counties and display them, or all of them, and display all of them. That application wouldn't be particularly appropriate here, as it would just be all of the combined counties for the metro. So that completes this web session. So I invite you to watch this again, use your address or an address of interest for a metro, and follow along with this video, and in a separate window have VDA open and pursue those same similar operations. Thank you for joining in.